all the mommies in the building, let's make avocado pasta puree for our babies. Hello sweet team, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. Thank you for stopping by. Making this recipe, the first ingredient I will be needing is pasta. So over here is the pasta I will be needing for this recipe. I'll just turn it out inside a large bowl, then turn it over inside a cooking pot. Over here is the cook. I have hot water in the fire. It has turned to boil for 1 minute. Then I will add in cooking oil. You can always use any oil of your choice. Then add it inside the hot water. Cover this for 15 minutes. I will just add everything inside the hot water. Then this will be cooking for 15 minutes. Just give it a little bit of stir, then cover 15 minutes cook. So next ingredient is avocado. So here is the avocado I will be needing on this recipe. I'll just open, then divide it into two because I'm not going to use full of it. I'm just going to use one side of it. So I will just open like this, then keep one aside, then making use of one. So this is how it look. I will just bring out the avocado. I've received message, Lady B, send me the link of social video. I'm not seeing it in your house. It's because you did not share the video. When you share it in your inbox, like your profile, so try to share videos. When you share it, you can always go back to your house and view. It will be more easy for you. 15 minutes later, the pasta has cooked. This is how it look after 15 minutes. So I will just stir and look if it's okay for me to turn off the heat. So when I check, I see it's okay, then I will just turn off the heat. So now it's ready. Over here is the cup of the avocado. Then I will add in the pasta on top of the avocado because I'm blending together. You don't have to cook your avocado, you just make use of it like that. So no need of you adding it inside the pot to cook it with the pasta. So you can see I did not let the water of the pasta to get dry. I still have some juice left over. Then I will just add in a little bit of milk, then blend and serve my babies. This is just so amazing. Every kids need this and it gives them a lot of strength and a lot of energy to continue their day. So that is just so amazing. I will use my hand mixer, then blend this together and it's ready to serve. This is one of my favorite recipe I like to serve my children, and it's just so amazing. It have a lot of protein on it, so even you as a mother can take this once in a while and move your day going. It's just so amazing. So I just add it in their feeding bowl and it's ready to serve. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy our baby food recipe, don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to support us with star. Our page is monetized and we need star to grow. Support your baby girl with star. May God bless you. Let me see you all in my next video. Don't forget to share this post so that you will not find it tomorrow.